Dear Santa, I hope you will bring me lots of presents this year.
I want a puppy for Christmas.
Basketball shoes,
Lego, an iPad, optical illusion briefcase, a pet Komodo and a puppy.
I will leave out some carrots, 2 carrots and a beer.
I get really excited that I can barely even sleep. Write to Santa at North Pole 9999 and do it as soon as possible. I put a stamp on the envelope. 70 cents.
No, you don't.
Put your name and address on the back of the envelope.
Have we all been good boys and girls this year?
Asking Santa if he can try to make everyone happy for Christmas.
Santa, how do you get down the chimney?